If you wanna eat it, no pressure. Balm and give it umbrella. I'm tryna love you like a gangster. Baby, would you answer? I give you love, make I give it to you faster.
Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I am back to, well, with a new video to kind of show you guys my take on soft glam. And before you guys say anything about the hair, it is from Wig Encounters. I have another more detailed videos on it and how it started coming up, so stay tuned for that. Okay, put your notifications on to get the notification for that video. So yeah, this is my take on the soft glam. I've been seeing it going around for weeks now, and I just wanted to show you guys how I would, you know, go for the soft glam. And I really like how it turned out, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. They will be on the screen. Check out the description box for more info on the products and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I am using the Hard Candy Perfecting Primer on my face. I already moisturized my face with some moisturizer. I think it's the Cetaphil one for all skin type. And I'm taking my MAC Strobe Cream because I like to have a dewy skin. Yes, I know this is just highlighter, but I apply it all over my face just because I'm extra. Whew. My skin is kind of been breathing lately, so I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade and deep brown 380 shade, and it comes with a little thingy brush. I don't know, but I know this video is gonna be uploaded so late. Like, I'm still gonna ask, how are you guys? How was your Thanksgiving? I know you guys don't care, but mine was great. It was the best one I've had so far, and yeah, I just really appreciate it a lot. I don't know if you guys ever been in this situation, but like, you'll ever meet someone and it's like they just fix like your whole life. It's like everything that you used to regularly do, like when you do it with them, it's like so much like better. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just, my life's been a little, not even a little, my life's been better. And I'm not feeling like sad or depressed as much as I used to feel, if not at all. I mean, of course, I'll get like some days where I'm just sad for no reason, but it's just, yeah, I don't know. I'm just not gonna talk because I'm just trying to do this soft glam for you guys. And I just hope you guys enjoy it. This brow is like messed up because I guess I tried to do it the other day and I did it too soon, and I cut it a little bit shorter than the other one, and it's just doing nonsense, and I'm just over it. Whatever. Going with my concealer, taking my little beauty blender, I'm just gonna I'm using my little Fantasy palette. It's like a dupe for the James Charles one very, very, very cheap. So I'm using this tiny fluffy blending, what is this called? It's a blending brush, and I'm going with this color right here. Should I zoom in? And I'm doing circular motions. Okay. Same thing on the other side. I'm making this upside down. With this color right next to it to kind of tone it down. Actually, I'm switching brush and I'm going in with this one is the Real Technique crease brush. Taking this bigger brush and kind of going in to blend it. I'm taking this concealer and I'm just gonna not really do a cut crease, but okay. And this brush right here. So after I do this, I'm not even gonna wait. I'm just going in with this palette again, and I'm taking this color right here. Okay, it's like a beige? No, I don't know. It just looks like a dirty white. I'm just applying it on top of where I put the foundation. I mean concealer. Jesus Christ. And I'm taking that same first color and I'm just kind of blending it around so that there are no harsh lines. Kind of blending the corners, blending the corners, you feel me? Blending it, blending it. You want this to be really very well blended, and this brush I feel like I would recommend it. Yeah, so blend, blend, blend it all out. This is like a very easy like eyeshadow, like whatever you guys want to call this, like soft glam, because you don't really do much. It's just you just have to focus on the blending and that's it. Just blend really well because I want it to just look like soft, like no type of harsh line nowhere. And make sure you kind of wipe your brush so that it helps with the blending better. That is something I kind of like, not just found out, but I realized that every time I finish wiping it and I go back, the product moves a little, you know, better. So I'm slowly going back in with that same color one last time. And I'm not really dragging it to the back, I'm just keeping it right here, just to kind of define it a little bit more. Okay. And then that's it for my eyeshadow, and I am going in with my liquid liner, and I'm gonna do a cute liner. Okay. I think this is good. And we're gonna go and we're gonna apply lashes off camera because I already spent too much time filming, and you guys understand, right? I think you guys understand. So I just applied my lashes and it took longer than expected again. I don't know why I'm doing my makeup so slow today, but like I don't have a place to be. So I'm color correcting. My little concealer. I'm gonna use some of my Fenty. You guys know, like, I barely use foundation like that, so a little tiny bit, not even a lot. Okay, so this looks way lighter than my skin. My goodness. Let's put some of this on it. I just hope that I didn't get this dark. Did I get this dark already? Jesus. And now I'm gonna kind of take this off because I don't want to get it on the, you know. I'm not gonna apply foundation up here. I don't know why lately I haven't been, you know, doing that, and I feel like it kind of helps my face a lot. Okay, so I'm not applying the concealer and foundation on top of here, but whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'll just go and apply a little tiny bit because you guys see it. Yeah, Jesus, my forehead beaming. Wow, it's beaming. So I'll just apply the excess on here, and while I do this, I kind of apply it, you know, like very well, very nice. And never forget your neck. Oh my goodness, I have like an hour left to get ready, but I already showered and everything. I just have to try and find what I'm gonna wear and stuff. It's 5:49. I need to leave my house at 6:49. The excess I'll just dab. Yeah, we're gonna bake now. 5 minutes. While we do that, my hair is almost kind of dry because, you know, I like to air dry my hair, and we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on a separate video, so you guys have to go and click on that little card that's gonna pop up on the screen to go see how I do my hair towards the end of the video, because yeah. And now I'm gonna go and dust my face off with my, you know, powder. I hope my camera doesn't pick up Nala purring right now. And this brush is also a good brush. It's also a blending brush, so I just really like when my face is really blended and all that good stuff. Contour my face with the darker powder that I have. I'm using the same brush. I think I just put too much of the powder on my face, and that's a little scary. And I'm saying this one last time, everything will be in the description box, and I hope you guys just click on it. It's not gonna take that long, just check it out. I will have my hair on it, eyelashes, shadows, everything, all the names. Maybe not the links to everything, but all the names will be there, so all you have to do is go on Google and just check that out. I take the blush, it's like a light pink, right? And I like to apply some on my nose. a little tiny bit on my nose so that my nose could look, you know, cute. And I'll just apply that all over my face. I am loving this makeup. This is so far one of the best one I've done. And the soft glam, I think the soft glam is for me, okay? So, I forgot to complete my eyes. I'm taking that same color right here. You can see it, right? And I'm just applying it under my eyes. But the thing is, I'm gonna apply it from here to here, okay? Here to here. So I'm just applying it. And then taking this color right here, hold on, this color right here, and I'm gonna apply it in the inner corners just so that it could pop a little bit more. So I'm taking this Makeup Forever highlighter. Vocals, bars. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my brow bone first because I need my face to dry a little bit more. My brow bone is fine. This is the softest, nicest look I've done. You know we gotta go back for a second layer, but I gotta hurry up because look, it's 6:08 now. Jesus Christ. Okay, so after we do all this, I hope I have time. I hope I have time to curl my hair. For my lips, I found this lippy. It's a Maybelline long-lasting waterproof gel. A little goes a long way, so don't apply pressure because I had to get this. Don't learn this the hard way. What do you guys think? Which color is this? I actually ended up taking off the lip because it was too dark because I wanted to kind of look soft. So I went with the same liner and I put the Burt's Bees on top and it gave me this flawless finish. And this is my take on a soft glam, okay? So